To use text-to-speech in the revision process, take a piece of writing that you've done and select a sentence at a time for starters. And ask the computer to read it back to you, listening for things that you might want to change.
There is a boy named Jet and he loves space. He stays up all night looking at space through his telescope.
Well, I heard a lot of things. The first thing I picked up on is there's a boy named Jet and he loves space. Maybe I need a period here. And then I would need a capital here.
There is a boy named Jet and he loves space.
That sounds better. Now the next part.
He stays up all night looking at space through his telescope.
Oh, there's a few things that don't make sense here. Let's turn on words. What does this say? Stas, he stay. Oh, stayed at home. That has a Y in it. Okay. Stays up all night. Looking at space through. Let me read that again.
He stays up all night looking at space through his telescope.
Throw. Here we go. And then this word here, that sounded strange. There we go. And so I've used the feedback to find out where things aren't working as well.
There is a boy named Jet and he loves space. He stays up all night looking at space through his telescope.
And you can also see that for certain spellings, phonetically, that's correct. For that, we would run a grammar or spell check in this software to detect what it finds there. That's another tab on this website.